Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll be focusing on how to replace the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Let's gather the tools you'll need for this project. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your vacuum and ensuring that it's completely powered off. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to take out, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover to expose the motor. Here, you might notice a buildup of dust and debris. It's a good idea to clean this area using a soft cloth. Regular cleaning not only improves performance but also extends the life of your vacuum. Next, locate the motor. You'll need to carefully disconnect the electrical connectors. If you're unsure about how to do this, take a moment to look at how they are attached. Remember, if you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's remove the motor. You'll find additional screws that hold the motor in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to unscrew these. Once they're out, gently pull the motor free from its housing. Take care not to damage any surrounding components. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the electrical connectors as you did with the original motor. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After reconnecting everything, it's time to secure the motor back in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to tighten the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling sounds when you power it on. Now, let's reattach the cover. Align it with the body of the vacuum and press down gently. Replace the screws at the base using your Phillips screwdriver. It's important to make sure that all screws are tightly secured. If not, you might face issues when using your vacuum. Before you finish up, take a moment to clean any remaining dust or debris from the outside of the vacuum. It's a small step that makes a big difference in how your vacuum looks and operates. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds, everything should be smooth and quiet. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can know exactly what to expect before committing to any services. This guide should help you successfully replace the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel, just professional service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.